If your morning coffee tastes inconsistent, burns too fast, or just never feels like that smooth cafe-style cup you're craving, you're not alone. Most people think it's the beans or the grinder, but a lot of the time, it's actually the brewing method that's holding everything back. Today, we're looking at the Poliviar French Press coffee maker, a 34-ounce stainless steel press designed to keep things simple, hot, and surprisingly refined for a manual coffee setup. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. This is made for people who want better coffee without turning their kitchen into a complicated cafe setup. Whether you're someone who enjoys slow mornings or you're the one responsible for making coffee for more than just yourself, this French press is built to deliver consistency without needing electricity, pods, or complicated settings. Right away, the first thing you notice is the build. It doesn't feel like a fragile glass press that you have to baby every time you use it. Instead, it has a solid stainless steel body with a brushed finish that feels like it belongs in a modern kitchen setup. The real wood handle adds a warm contrast that actually makes it comfortable to hold, especially when pouring hot coffee. It's the kind of detail that doesn't just look good, but also makes the experience feel more natural in your hand. The double wall insulation is where things start to get more practical. If you've used a glass French press before, you already know how quickly coffee can cool down. This one holds heat noticeably longer, which means you're not rushing through your cup or reheating coffee in the microwave 5 minutes later. It keeps the outside cool enough to touch while locking heat inside, which is a small but meaningful upgrade in everyday use. Brewing with it feels straightforward, even if you've never used a French press before. You add your grounds, pour hot water, let it steep, and press. What matters more here is how it handles extraction. The dual filter system does a better job than basic single mesh presses at keeping sediment out while still allowing the natural coffee oils through. That balance is what gives French press coffee its signature body, and this one does it in a noticeably cleaner way than cheaper alternatives. In real daily use, it fits into a pretty effortless routine. There's no noise, no electronics, no waiting for machines to heat up. It's just hot water and a few minutes of patience. Cleaning is also relatively simple since it's stainless steel. You don't have to worry about cracks, stains, or delicate parts breaking over time. A quick rinse and a rinse of the filter system usually does the job. Now, it's not perfect. Because it's fully manual, consistency still depends on your technique. Grind size, steeping time, and water temperature all matter more here than they would in an automatic coffee maker. If you want something that does everything for you at the push of a button, this isn't that kind of product. But if you enjoy controlling your brew and dialing it in over time, that's actually part of the appeal. Compared to glass French presses in the same price range, the Poliviar stands out mainly in durability and heat retention. Glass models tend to lose heat quickly and are more prone to breakage. On the other hand, some higher-end stainless steel presses may offer slightly more advanced filtration systems, but they often come at a significantly higher cost without a dramatic improvement in everyday taste for casual coffee drinkers. This is really best suited for people who want a dependable, low-maintenance way to make rich, full-bodied coffee or tea at home. It's especially good for morning routines where you just want something reliable that doesn't require thinking too much. If that sounds like your kind of setup, this is one of those coffee tools that quietly improves your daily routine without trying to reinvent it. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more honest coffee gear reviews, and check the link in the description if you want to try it for yourself.